Hi, thanks so much for coming today and taking a look at our new listing at 10110 Waterloo, Munith Road in Munith, Michigan. My name is Dana Howell. I'm associate broker and listing agent for this glorious property. I work with ERA Reardon Realty out of Jackson. This property is really extraordinary in my view because we've got a lovely 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home on a full basement with a Generac support system for peace of mind when the storms roll in. There's hardwood floors in the bedrooms, there's laundry on the main floor, and a wonderful pantry right off the kitchen. In addition to the attached 2-car garage, we have a detached 2-car garage that's heated and has concrete flooring, garage doors automatic open, and if somebody needs a workshop or extra space for storage, you got it here. And if you thought that garage was great, now we've got a 3-car bay for the hobbyist or somebody who has maybe even a home-based business who needs this kind of space. This property sits on 2.94 acres, which obviously is just under 3 acres. It's 2 parcels that are knit together, and lovely landscaping and room to grow and play.